So hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Mishra on behalf of KramfoTech. Today I'm just going to start a series of Python programming. So how you will start from beginning to the advanced level. That's how the purpose of this series is. Okay, so let's just start. And most of the programmings what we will do with this web series, what we will do we are going to use the Anaconda Navigators. And so how you can get the Anaconda Navigators, you can get to the Google, and whatever links you will get first, you can download it. Okay, and here you will go to the product, and mostly you go with the individual edition if you are working for yourself, and there is a commercial team editions and enterprise edition as well, but these are the paid versions, and the individual edition is just the open source distributions where as a self developer you can use this. Okay, so I already downloaded. Once you will download individual editions, you will get this kind of exe file, as I downloaded for the Windows machines. So of course you have to use exe file, and there is a different kind of whenever you will go with this, most probably um, you may get for other operating system as well, like Mac and Linux. Okay, so all right, so let's start about this. Why this Anaconda Navigator is much important for the Python developers, because nowadays you know dealing with the data science, it provides different kind of toolkit where you can easily learn, you can easily apply from small scale data to the large scale data set. Okay, and look at here the number of users, the popularity of these tools: 25 million users worldwide. It's completely open source. Then the Conda packages support is there. Then managing the environment is very easy, and these are the few widely uh, machine learning models where you can develop and easily deploy. So it's quite good. So that's how you can use this for your so how what is the installations process. That's easily once you will download the exe file, anything, just click on next, and you will complete your installations process. So let us start, and I'm just going to install the Anaconda Navigator. So here you will get this application which is already installed in my PC. Make sure that the installation should be installed in your side as well. Okay, so let's wait for a while, and I think it's already open for me. So let's get. So once you will open the Anaconda Navigator, you will get these kind of applications which are available here. So command prompt, then PowerShell prompt, then Spider, then Jupyter Lab, the Notebook. So mostly these are the widely used tools like Jupyter Lab and Notebook, and mostly the command prompt we used to use for the installing the packages whatever is required for your programs. Okay, so let's launch the notebook first. All right, so the Jupyter Notebook, it's quite you can see here that the a web-based interactive computing notebook environment where you can edit and run your code, as well as you can make your documents as well. So let's start here. So once you will start your uh, Jupyter Notebooks, you will get the automatically one directory you will get here. All right, so especially it will give you the all you can say the folders which are available to the environment path. So we will go to the you can say here anywhere in the desktop, the different kind of folders what we made. Even if you wanted to make the different folder, here you will go to the right side in the new option, then you can create the text files folder and terminal. Then I can select any folders. If you are you already made a folders, you can select it, and there you can save the files. So let's see here, if we are going to make one file, notebook file. So I wanted to tell you a few important things, that whenever you will create a notebook file, automatically an untitled notebook file will create it, and with the extension of IPYNB. So it means interactive Python notebook. The full form of this is IPYNB, means interactive Python notebook, and you can rename this file, okay, that first Python. Okay, so let's rename it. So whenever you will rename it, the URL of this files will also get changed, and where it's stored in the untitled folders. Even you can rename your folder as well, but later you can do, it's fine. Okay, so there's a few things which is very much important. So whenever you will see, by default you will get the code options, but there is a options like if you wanted to make the heading of anything. So here let's say my first Python program in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so that's how, and whenever you will run this line, automatically one heading will be created for you, and one next, in the next line you will get on code block here. So automatically you are in the code block. So this is a basically part where you are going to write your code, right? So let's write a simple code: print hello Python, and you can run here. Done. And that's how basically you are going to start and execute your first program in the Python. So I'm going, I don't want to make very lengthy videos for the single one. So slowly the next video will be more easier and with the small duration, so that you should able to understand it properly. Okay, so we will come with the next video. Thank you so much.